and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ariel and I'm here with Jujube's beautiful mini Helix in the print rose quartz. So first things first, iconic smooth zippers that this has. Yes, love the zippers. I have my Sakura Swirl B set in the smallest size, and I use this to hold you know, cards and change, all types of things in there. So that fit perfectly in there. And I think the print really matches really well with the Sakura Swirl, the pinks and the grays, with the lavenders and the pinks of the rose quartz print. I thought that went really well together. So those two together, and that fit perfectly inside. Have that. And then I have, this is going to be packed for a newborn. I do have a 5-month-old, so everywhere I go, I bring little goodies in my mini Helix to carry with me for a 5-month-old. So that's what's in here. I have 2 number 2 diapers that fit perfectly in there. I mean, wow, that's amazing. So 2 number 2 diapers. And then I have a little onesie for those blowouts that you get. I get the, what size is this? I think it's a size like 0 to 6 month or 3 to 6 month, yeah. And that is a onesie that I keep in there just in case you have spit ups or blowouts. You always need a change of clothes. And then I have wipes that I do carry in a Ziploc baggie. It keeps them nice and moist, but then I can carry them in here without having a big pack of wipes. Just put them in there with that and it works. So got my wipes too. And then I have my cell phone. So this cell phone is a iPhone 8 Plus, and it's really large. So this is the largest cell phone I think they make, other than the iPhone 7 but Plus. But this one is really big and it fit perfectly in here. Sometimes I do put my cell phone in this front pocket here that they have, and it does stick out a little, but the larger, I do have another cell phone and it is smaller and it fits perfectly, but to fit inside of here, fits perfectly. No problems at all, just perfect. So that's a large cell phone there. And then we have my bug spray. If y'all watch my other videos, you know that I am allergic to mosquitoes and I need my bug spray, so I keep my bug spray in here. This is off Deep Woods and it is in 98% DEET. I mean, I need it severely badly, so I have my bug spray with me all the time. So that's that, and it works really well. And then I have, I am a nursing mommy, so my 2 nursing pads, need those to change out during the day. I have my eyebrow, little swoop that I do with my eyebrow. And this is actually L'Oreal's Brow Style Boost and Set Brow Mascara. And it works really well. I mean, all you have to do is just to your eyebrows and it fills them in, and it lasts all day. It really does. So that's a good one there. And then I have my, let's see, this one's, is this by, yeah, L'Oreal. I use like all L'Oreal products from the drugstore. I think they're awesome. And then this one is a L'Oreal Crazy for Coffee. And this is the color I'm wearing now. And it's really moist and keeps your lips moist. It's not dry or matte, so, but it's not too shiny. Yeah, I don't like the too much shine, but I like to keep my lips moisturized. Yeah, so that's that color and fits in here, so gotta carry that with me. And then I have my chapstick by EOS. So yeah, and it smells really good. This one kind of smells like a peppermint patty. I love peppermint patties, so that's my mint one, chapstick. And then I have a pen. You always want your pen. And all these products, like all my makeup and chapsticks and everything, and my pens fit in this mesh pocket here. There is a mesh pocket on the inside that is really helpful for, you know, organization. so I fit all my pens in so that it doesn't like mark up the inside of your bag. Put it in the mesh pocket. So that's where I keep my pen, is in the mesh pocket. And then I always have my bobby pin. If you watch my other videos, packing videos, always carry a bobby pin with you because you need to pin something up. Whoa, that was thunder and it was very loud. Ooh, I think a storm's coming. But anyways, yes. So that is actually all I keep in my mini Helix, and it packs a lot. I mean a lot. So I absolutely love my mini Helix. And then this front zipper here, I do keep change. All I do is keep change in the front zipper, but you can keep a lot. See how deep it is? This is a very deep pocket here, and then another deep pocket in the middle, and then a large pocket on the...
Always stay healthy.
Yeah, always stay healthy.
Because they have a pretend school set inside their house, and he picked.
My little one Emma decided to join me here, so I'm just gonna finish out the video with her, my sweet girl Emma. So this is the mini Helix. I absolutely love the print. I love the style. I love the color, and I love how much it can hold on the inside. It really does hold a lot. I really think that you all will love this bag if you get it. It is larger than the other mini Helixes out there, and the print goes with everything. As you can see, I'm wearing a print that is just like all zigzags, all different colors, but it still goes. This is my everyday purse that I use, and I bring about everything in it. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you go out and get yourself Jujube's mini Helix in the print Rose Quartz. Yeah, she likes it too.
Give us
Bye.
a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.